Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm Prasad and I'm back. I'm thrilled to kick off a new series of videos where we will deep dive into Google Cloud Platform, in short GCP, and explore its various services and tools. In this series, we'll cover everything from the basics to advanced topics, making it a comprehensive learning experience for anyone interested in cloud computing. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a Gmail account and set up your Google Cloud Platform account where you will receive $300 in free credits to explore Google Cloud services. Let's dive right in. As you watch the video, you will notice that creating a Gmail account is quite straightforward. Just follow the on-screen instructions and you will have your new Gmail account in no time. Having a Gmail account is essential as it will be your primary login for all Google services, including GCP. Next, we will move on to setting up your GCP account. Again, the steps are self-explanatory and you will be guided through the process in the video. Remember, to set up your GCP account, you will need to provide your Gmail address and verify your identity. As part of the setup process, Google offers $300 in free credit to new users. This is a fantastic opportunity to explore various GCP services at no cost for the first 90 days. You will need to provide a valid credit card for verification purpose. But don't worry, Google will not charge you unless you exceed the free tier limits. So just sit back, watch the video and follow along with the easy steps. By the end of this tutorial, you will have both your Gmail and GCP accounts ready to go with $300 in credits to start your cloud journey. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. That's all for this video. Thanks for sticking around until the end of the video. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more Google Cloud tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or topic you would like me to cover in future videos, drop a comment below. I love hearing from you and I'm always here to help. Also, hit that notification bell so you will be the first to know when new content is uploaded. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep building amazing things in the cloud. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.